Good afternoon, boys and girls. How's everyone doing this afternoon? Great. How was lunch? Awesome. Recess? So now that we're all full, our energy's out, we're going to have a great end to our day. And what is today again? Friday. Woo! Alrighty, boys and girls. So today, just a little reminder from yesterday's lesson. Can we remember what we talked about at all? So we did talk about maps, okay, and the different types of maps, 3D, 2D, and stuff like that. Good job. So today we're going to kind of just go off of that, but we're going to add a little more. So I want to just show you a couple pictures that are going to be placed around the room today for a little activity. Now these pictures, can anyone think of what this is? That is the United States. Good job. Can anyone see what that is? Yeah, it looks like ice. So maybe cold. Okay. What this is? The globe. And what does the globe show? The whole world. Good job. And now this is a new picture. I don't know if anyone knows what it is. Do you know what this is? A compass. Great job. So those are some 4 pictures that just kind of go with our lesson today that I wanted to show you. And we'll be using them later on. Okay, boys and girls, so like I said, we're going to be learning about maps and coordinates. And we will also learn about north, south, east, and west. These are your 4 coordinates on a map. Has anyone heard of north, south, east, and west? Yeah? Okay. So like I said in yesterday's lesson, we talked about 2D map versus 3D map. And the 2D map is any map you see on a paper or a picture. For example, like a road map, or it could be like a street map. It could be like the map of the United States. And a 3D map would be our globe. Now a 3D map is, the globe would be a 3D map because the globe is not on a picture. It's not like something that I'm just showing you. Now this would be a 2D map because you look at it straight on. Whereas our globe over here, you can see it, you can touch it, you can move it. It's 3D because it is right in front of our eyes. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to watch a video, and I need you guys to pay attention because you'll be learning important information in this video, and during the video I will be pausing it whenever the guy is going to ask about a certain location, and you guys are going to have to guess on where it is. Okay, but before we do that, we're going to do a little jig, so everyone stand up. Awesome. So this is going to be to remember north, south, east, and west, because you will need to know this for the video, and he'll explain a little more in the video. So north, east, south, and west. Now let me face you the way you guys are going so it doesn't confuse you, okay? North, east, south, and west. Can we do it together? North, east, south, and west. Good job, boys and girls. So now we're going to watch the video. Remember to pay attention because I will be pausing it. So now I just want to talk a little bit more about a compass before we start our activity. So a compass you can use to find coordinates when you're hiking, for example. Some people use it for hunting. And the compass will show you where north, south, east, and west are. And there's also northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. And that gives you directions on where to go so you don't get lost. So if I can just have a couple minutes and think of another phrase before we start of what north, south, east, and west you could come up with in order to remember these 4 letters and how it goes. So like I said before, we did never eat soggy waffles. So kind of think of another one, talk with your partners, and see what you guys can come up with. Okay, so can I have some of the examples that you guys came up with? Never eat slimy pebbles, that would work. Okay. Not everyone sings well. Okay. You guys are coming up with some good ones. Okay, so just remember from the video and everything where north, east, south, is west is. Can we do that one more time? Can I watch you guys stand up, show me where they are so I know that you guys are understanding? So north, east, south, west, south, north, west, north, east, east, south. Good job, boys and girls. I tried to throw a little curve there for you, but you guys did great. So like I said, we're going to be doing a scavenger hunt, and you will be placed in partners. So you will have to find each location of the classroom. There will be a picture, so you have to figure out where north, east, south, and west are. So there's going to be a picture in every spot, and the way we're going to do it is the front of the classroom. So just think about the front of the classroom. I know that's a little tricky. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be there to help you. So like I said, I'm going to split up the classroom. So I want this half of the classroom to stand up, grab your papers and your pencils, your pens, pencil, whatever you want to write with. Make sure you have the worksheet that goes along with this activity, and I'll be placing you in partners. So you two, you two, you two, you two, you two, you two. All right, good job. So now you guys just stand at the front of the classroom for 2 seconds, and I'll explain again what you're going to do. So now the other half of the classroom, I'm going to pass out the worksheet, and you're going to be working on this individually. Now there are 3 questions. I read them to you already. If you need help, just let me know. After you guys finish that, just work with your partner, and you can discuss what you guys came up with, and think of, if you can think of anything else for the second question. Try to come up with more opportunities. Okay, so for you guys, I have the pictures up, and what you're going to do is you're going to find north, east, south, and west. And at each location, there is a picture, and you have to describe what the picture is in detail. I don't want just a one word like compass. I want you to describe what it is, what you see, and how you found that this was north, or this was east, or this was south, or this was west. Okay, so guys, take your time, work with your partner, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so I see that everyone is finishing up with their first activity. So now can I have everyone return to their seat? Thank you. And now I want the other half of the classroom to stand up at the front while I pass out the other worksheets for the other students. And like I said to them earlier, for number 2, you're going to try to think of other options you could use with a partner after you finish your worksheet. So for you guys, like I said, you're going to walk around the room, find north, east, south, and west. Describe the picture in detail. I don't want just a one word. Describe the picture, what you see, and also describe how you found that it was north, east, south, or west, okay? You guys will have about 10 minutes to work on this. Okay, so now that we are finished, I'm going to have a couple of you share with the classroom what you found on the little scavenger hunt first. So the first picture at north, what was it? The globe. Good job. And at east, a compass. Awesome. At south, the United States. Good job. And at west, the picture of the ice. Good job, guys. So now we're going to go over our worksheet. So, can I have someone raise their hand and explain to me what the 4 coordinates that we learned today, what they are? North. Good job. East. Awesome. South. And west. And one more time, stand up. So where is west? East. South. North. All right, good job, boys and girls. So our second question is, can you think of a phrase you can use to remember north, south, east, and west? Did anyone come up with anything fun? No eating slimy watermelon. Okay, that is a good one. And now can I have a couple volunteers come up to the doc cam and show the classroom map that you drew and describe it for us. First student. Awesome, good job. Second. Yep. Great description. Third. I love your picture. All right, boys and girls, you did really good with that activity. So, just a little reminder, turn and talk to your buddies. Talk Tell them what the 4 coordinates that they learned today were. Drill those into your head because we need to remember those. So turn and talk to a partner and explain what the 4 coordinates are. And I'll come around and listen in. Good job. Good job. And now also talk to your partner and discuss what a compass is. We did learn about that a little bit today, so try to remember what we talked about and see if you can remember what it was. Awesome. Good job, boys and girls. Well, you guys did a great job with this activity. I loved how focused you were, how descriptive you were, and we will be now going to our special for the day. Have a good day, boys and girls. So now that this lesson is over, just a little explanation. It is a 2nd grade classroom for science. We're doing maps and coordinates, or social studies. And for the evaluation, I'll collect the worksheets from each student and assess the worksheets on how they answered the questions, and that would be formal. And the informal would be me walking around the room, listening to what they were talking about, and just watching how they're working with that. Thank you.